So hello guys, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to display the total number of total order, then the total customer, then total sale. We need to display it based on our table. So as you can see in our order, there are 7 data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we need to display it inside the total order. So, okay, let's go. These are the code of our card found in our dashboard. So this one is for the total order. Then this one is for our total customer. Then this one is for our total sale. So let's display the total order. So we need to make a PHP. Then after that, we need to make a variable order. You can name whatever you want, but I name it order. So double quote, let's put a semicolon. Then select select all from order. So this order is come from our database. Here, the name of our table. Then next is another variable. So I name it order num, and then we need to execute the query. So the command is like this: MySQL query, then add the connection followed by this. This connection is come from my other file name, which is the db. Here, this is where this is the connection. The next is the condition. The condition so that we could display the total number of our order. So all we need to do is the statement. So if so variable name, we can name whatever it want, but I want to name it an ord is equal to my SQL I num rows. So this command is used so that we can count of how many data inside our table. Then followed by this one, this variable. Let's copy it and execute. So we so next is we need to display it by using an echo. So all we need to do is to copy this, then delete, then place it, then change the 0 into that board, then another dot, then the condition, if there is no data, then we need to display this. No data. If there is no data inside the table in order. Okay, let's save it. So if we refresh it, Oh, I forgot to put a single quote. Okay, let's try. Oh, here's the 7. So as you can see, it displayed the 7 based on the order. So next is we need to display the total number of customer. So inside the user info, we have a 3 customer. So we need to display it here. So let's just copy this code, copy, then delete this, then paste. So we need to change it into a user info. Then this, change it into a user. Then this one, user num. In this one, change it into a user. In this one, use as. In this one, into a user num. In this, change it into an as. Here we go. Let's try it. By the way, guys, this user info is based on our user info name table. This is the name of our table, user info. Okay, let's run it. So it displayed 3. So next is the total cell. So we need to display the total cell based on our order. Then here the grand total. So we need to sum this all value. This from 4,500 to 3,000. Total this all. Then display into the total cell. So okay, let's go. So first we need to make another PHP code. So PHP, and then total query is equal to select sum grand total. So this sum is so that we could sum all the total value from the order table. Here the grand total, and then followed by as total cell. You can name whatever you want, but I prefer total cell. So from order. So this order is the name of our table. Next is total result is equal to my SQLi query. Then the connection followed by total query. So next is we need to make a statement, kanang condition. So if total total result and my SQLi number of rows, then total result is greater than 0. So this 0 is meaning if there is a data found in our table, so we need to display the so first row, we need to fetch the data first. My SQLi fetch ASOC, then the total result, then followed by total sales is come from row, then this one, semicolon. So after that, we need to display it in our card. So echo, we'll copy this one, and then dollar sign dot total cell, another dot. So if there is no row in the table, so we need else, and then copy this one, then there is no data, no data. Okay, let's run it. We need to refresh the page. Oh, there's a mistake. Oh, I forgot to put an S, total cell. Okay, so where's the error? So I think there's an error. Grand total. Oh, the order. This is not the single quote, but change into this order. Okay, let's run it. Okay, here we go. It displayed the total based on the here in order table grand total, the sum of all these value. So that's all.